Hey everyone, are you struggling to get views on YouTube? In this video, I will show you exactly where to get free traffic on YouTube and how to use each source the right way. Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. First and most powerful is YouTube search traffic. Whenever someone searches for something like how to grow on YouTube, right, your video can show up. To rank, you have to use keywords in your title and add them in your description and say them in your video. Tools like vidIQ can help you find the right keywords. I'm linking my video on this on how to find the right keywords over here. You can refer it to know more. Second is suggested videos, and this is where videos go viral. YouTube recommends your video next to others. To get in suggested videos, check this video linked over here. It will make your videos on similar topics which are already going viral and improve your thumbnail. It can help your video get more views. The next is YouTube Shorts. Shorts are the fastest growing way to get free traffic. And if you post daily and add good hooks in the first 2 seconds and maybe add CTAs like get the full video over here, your shorts can explode your channel overnight, right? The next one is the browse features, and this is where YouTube homepage traffic. Basically, your video appears over here. Now, to get here, you have to post consistently, focus on retention, and make clickable thumbnails. If your video performs well, YouTube puts it on the homepage of a number of viewers who are looking for the same content. The next is subscribers and channel page. Now, subscribers are your repeat traffic. If you ask people to subscribe in a video and create video series, create playlists, this will help returning viewers and help your channel to grow faster. The next one is actually the external traffic, which is one of the more critical terms. If you don't have to rely on YouTube to grow your YouTube channel, the best free platforms are Pinterest, X, Facebook, Reddit, and if you post your content there in relevant subs, you can bring people to your videos, and people there are actually searching for solutions. If your YouTube video gives solutions to those users, you can get your viewers increased and some of the good subscribers for your channel. The next is the comment strategy. And this is one of the most underrated. You see, if you add any pinned comment, it helps uh, add value, it helps make people curious, and it can steal traffic from bigger creators literally. So you can comment on viral videos. So if any video has gone viral, if you comment on that with relevant information, it can make the another viewer curious and help make visit your channel as well, right? The next is playlists, and playlists are a hidden growth track. People don't value them, but it can help them if you group your related videos. Use keywords in the playlist title. I have already created a video on how to do this in a better way, and add videos in order. This increases watch time across your channel and helps you great monetize and also maybe add revenue to your channel. So quick recap would be, if you want results, follow the simple plan. One SEO video weekly, 2-3 shorts daily, share on X and Reddit, that is what I do, comment on viral videos and improve thumbnails weekly. Combine all the traffic sources and that's the real game. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more YouTube growth strategies. See you in the next video.